Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, I will share tips and tricks about Z plant. The first one is cutting to bonsai. Here we have to take a very healthy and beautiful cutting so that we can turn this in a bonsai. Making of bonsai take months and years, but I will show you how to make bonsai within a minute. Now we have to remove all the branches from bottom and we have to trim all the branches from the top. Our cutting is ready. Now we can grow our cutting in small pot. First we have to develop the roots and then we can try for a bonsai shape. Soil mix must be very loose enough so that our cutting can spread its roots very fast. So we will mix 50% sand and 50% normal garden soil. Now we have to grow our cutting nearly 1 to 2 inches deep in soil. Now give water to your cutting and it is ready to grow. And nearly after a few months you will see your cutting is full of new branches. Now it is ready to grow in a small bonsai pot. Yes, this is not looking like a bonsai, but we will make it in a few years. So first we have to remove the soil and extra root from this plant. To do this process, firstly we have to give water to our soil. This will loosen up roots and we can free them easily and cut the long and strong roots. Now select the pot according to the height of plant. Now we will add soil mix so that we can grow our plant. Now our plant is ready to grow and we can add the same soil mix which we have made earlier. Cut the extra long branches, clear the trunk area and give water and you are good to grow. Keep your plant in shed for few days. Point number 2 is creating Z plant pad, and creating pad is very important. This will enhance the look of our bonsai. Firstly, we have to select the plant and then we have to select the branches which we have to create in a pad form. Selection of branch is very important as we have to create an image of our bonsai. This is formal upright style and the branches which are growing downward and growing upward, we have to cut them in small pieces. Remove all the unwanted branches from our Z plant and you will see the little bit shape of our bonsai. After trimming, you have to keep your plant for few months. This will create a new type of pad. Remove all the unwanted branch timely and you will see the small padding will grow, and after few months you will see this type of padding. Once you attain a huge amount of padding, then we have to trim our branches once again as we don't want the branches which are growing straight forward to the upward direction and to the downward direction. And if you see some thick branches, we have to remove them also. Just after 3 to 4 times of pruning, you will observe that your padding is being created and you will see that your bonsai is also taking shape and size. Do the same if you see extra branches. Number 3, Z plant fast bonsai. If you want to make your Z plant in a fast bonsai, then you can do this type of artwork. But remember that this is not an actual bonsai. To do the whole process, we have to select multiple branches and branches must be thick enough. And remember that you have to remove all the branches from the bottom part of the small branches. Now our branches are ready. Now collect them and make a bunch of them and arrange them equally as the bottom part must be in a flat line. Now take any jute or cotton rope and tie them tightly. Now your trunk line is ready. Now they are ready to grow in small pot. Make sure you grow them in a small pot earlier and then we can transfer them. Soil must be loose enough so that our Z plant branches get enough amount of space to spread its roots. Now grow them with firm sand nearly 2 inches deep and add water. Here you can see the size of our trunk. Earlier in point number 1 we have seen very thin trunk, but here you can see at the starting stage it is very thin. After few days you will see this type of trunk and this type of growth. You can transfer your Z plant in bigger pot once needed. Number 4, raft style bonsai. This is one of my favorite style which we can create just by making a small branch lie down. This was my first step. I have just laid down one branch and it has produced so many of the branches. Now it has reached a point which has a character in it. At this point we will give a new bonsai pot to our Z plant, but before we have to do some work to roots so that we can transfer it to new pot. Before transferring in new pot, we require to remove some of the old soil and also extra root will be get cut. This is the new pot. It is made up of terracotta. Now you can compare the size of our old pot. After covering the drainage hole with small pebbles, you can add soil, make a small bed of soil and then we can place our plant. The depth of our new pot is very low, so we have to cut extra long roots so that we can fit our new plant in bonsai pot. After keeping your bonsai plant, fill the empty space with the soil and support your plant so that it can remain on its place and does not move. Once the Z plant gets set, now we have to take an overall view so that we can make sure that which shape it will take in future. In raft style bonsai, generally the side tree are small and the center one are big enough. So we have to make a triangle shape. So we have to prune the side branches and this will look much more elegant after the pruning. And this is the final look. Here it is looking like a premium bonsai. Branches will take much more time to grow long and strong, but now we have to give them support with the help of rope so that they does not move and stay on their place. For the rope selection, we will use coconut rope or the jute rope. They are biodegradable and with the pass of time they will get decomposed. Water it nicely and keep it in shed for few days. Number 5, Z plant yellow leaf. If you are facing yellow leaf problem in your plant, then I will share you the tips and tricks to prevent it. Firstly, observe this all type of Z plant. They have lush green leaves. Also, the location play very important role. Z plant require minimum 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Also, if you are watering, water them once in every 2 to 3 days. Generally, jet plant does not require large amount of fertilizer intake, so give them fertilizer after every 2 months. If you are doing all this correctly and you are getting 2 to 3 of yellow leaf, then it is perfectly alright. Here you can see my Z plant is lush green, but it is having nearly 1 to 2 set of yellow leaf. A plant with less number of yellow leaf is perfectly okay, but if you are receiving more than 4 to 5 set of yellow leaf on a single branch, then you have to keep your plant in shady environment, as it can be multiple environmental condition, that is sunlight, less of water, less of nutrients in the soil. So keep your plant in shady environment and give large amount of water and fertilizer. Number 6, sunlight. I always get multiple queries about should we keep our Z plant in indoor or outdoor. The Z plant is generally outdoor plant and it loves sunlight. Nearly 5 to 6 hours of sunlight if you give to your Z plant, then it will grow much more lush green leaves and also it will get much more bigger in size. But if you keep them indoor, it will shed all its leaves. Next is fertilizer, and giving fertilizer to Z plant is not that important as it can grow very well without the fertilizer. But after every 2 months we have to give fertilizer for a better growth and healthy development. For this we have to remove nearly 1 inches soil of top layer. This soil does not contain any type of nutrients, as once we give water all the nutrients get washed out. So do a little bit of tilling and remove nearly 1 inches soil from top layer. After removing top layer soil, don't throw it away. You can use in another pot or any other plant. After that, we have to once again do the tilling and then we can apply the fertilizer and give water to your plants for a healthy growth and development. Number 8, Z topiary. Here, Z plant are very special plant as they can form any shape and size within few months. Topiary is not a bonsai art, but it is an art. Here you can see I made this circle, and just by few pruning and deciding what shape you require, Z plant will take it very fast. Here you can see I have made this similar to our Doctor Strange circle. Number 9, Z plant watering. Here you know that Z plant belongs to desert area. It means it requires very less water to survive. It belongs to a place where water or the rain is very less. So the right method to give water to Z plant is just sprinkle water on plant and a little bit shower to the soil. Generally we don't give excess water so that our plant can get limited amount of water and it can survive, as it is a succulent category plant and it stores much part of the water in its leaves and stem. Z plant pruning. Here is a tips and tricks I will share with you to do Z plant pruning with a perfect example. So just don't cut the branch. Just have a look on the leaf which side it is growing. If you can see here the two set of leaf are growing vertical and horizontal. If you cut the branch in vertical, then the new branch will also come from the vertical leaf. It totally depend upon your choice which branch you want. If you want vertical or horizontal. If you want horizontal, then trim the vertical set of leaves and you will get horizontal branches. Here you can see the branches grown from the leaf are just from that side which leaves are on. Just see the another example. Here you can see the clear view of the new branch growing from the leaf side only. So from this you will get an idea from which side you have to prune your Z plant to make a fast bonsai. 11th, cutting in water. This one is little bit tricky as I have never grown Z plant in water. If you have ever experienced, then please share your experience in comment section. In this method I am trying to grow cutting by pot in pot method. Just keeping this cutting in pot which contain little bit amount of soil and filling it with water. Till now it has been 1 month and my Z plant has not shown any sign of roots, but the cutting is also alive.